Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start from chapter number 5, which is about ancient kingdoms of the Arya people. Let's see question number 1. How large was the Mauryan Empire? Now open page number 23. The answer of question number 1 starts from this line. Mauryan Empire stretched from Kashmir to Karnataka and from Bengal to the heart of Afghanistan. Who laid the foundation of Mauryan Empire? Chandragupta Maurya laid the foundation of Mauryan Empire. Mauryan Empire extended from Kashmir to Karnataka and from Bengal to the heart of Afghanistan. Let's see question number 2. Why is Ashoka a legendary king? In its answer, we will describe about Ashoka as a legendary king. The answer of question number 2 starts from this line. Ashoka ruled a vast empire which stretched from Bengal to Afghanistan. Who was Ashoka? Ashoka was a grandson of Chandragupta Maurya who laid the foundation of Mauryan Empire. Ashoka ruled a vast empire which extended from Bengal to Afghanistan. He fought a battle for Kalinga. Ashoka fought a battle for Kalinga. After the battle, he was so upset at the sight of bloodshed that he vowed to never fight again. Bloodshed meaning killing of people. Vowed meaning promised. After the battle, Ashoka was so upset to see the killing of so many people. It is said almost 1 lakh people dead and 1,50,000 people wounded in this battle. After seeing bloodshed, he promised to never fight again. Now he wanted peace in his life. He converted to Buddhism. Ashoka converted from Hinduism to Buddhism because he impressed from the teachings of Buddhism and focused his attention on the welfare of his subjects. Ashoka focused his attention on the welfare of his people. He started to work for the betterment of his people. He always kept himself informed about his people. Ashoka always kept himself informed about the problems of his people. He reached out to everyone and preached tolerance among all sects. Tolerance means patience. Sects means religious groups. He reached out to everyone and preached patience among all religious groups. His exemplary rule made him a legendary king. Exemplary mean excellent, admirable. Legendary mean remarkable. His excellent rule made him a remarkable king. His excellent rule and all his qualities which I have discussed above made him a remarkable king. I hope you will be understand. Allah Hafiz.